I made it. The biggest pyramid in Latin America on this side of the world. Teotihuacan, the Pyramid of the Sun. It's been my dream to come here. Checked it off the list. Check. And it's my birthday. Dream come true today. Look at this. Huge. Beautiful.
We know it could be related to another people from Mexico called the people. But usually what we know is also
We're walking through the city streets of Teotihuacan right now. Walking towards the Pyramid of the Moon. This was like the neighborhood streets right here. You can see all the buildings on the side. You see the buildings right there. And it's crazy. Ancient place. Ancient history. Got a real boat right here. Real Aztec boat. The notch. Never thought I would get to do. One of my favorite hobbies is shooting bows and arrows. It's the old school area. It's like a kid's bow, but it's got some nice pole on it. This stick, it's a nice stick. What's going on? I'm here at the bank. I just made it to the bank. I gotta get my money. Let's go. We're gonna get us some money right now. Some Aztec money. Oh, I don't think the bank. I think the bank closed today. The bank's closed. It's not. It's closed. It closed about a couple thousand years ago, probably longer than that. But that was the bank right there. Seriously. Look, I found the Puma. The paint still exists. Come look. It's still paint. You see the claws? You see kind of like the tiger, the tail. They say they think it's a Puma. Still some paint that exists from a long time ago. So to put it in perspective, what they say is to look at all these other buildings right here. You see all these buildings on the street. You see all these buildings. You just picture them with paint, paint like this on there. Wow. What do you got?
La ranita.
The
frog.
The frog. And the owl?
An owl. This is the whistle and the owl.
Like whistle. Wow. Muy bien. That's a lot harder than it's a lot harder than it looks. Trust me, I try all the time.
One souvenir.
See?
The Lobo.
Lobo. I love it. That's awesome. Gracias, mi amigo. Gracias.
Árale.
Gracias. Oh, bueno, let's see. This is the death whistle, the Aztec death whistle.
Sí.
Ah, bueno. Look, I'm at the Pyramid of the Moon. I'm in the Aztec site. I got the Aztec death whistle right here. Let's see how it sounds. Let's see. I'll play it for you real quick. Imagine hearing 1,000 of these, 1,000 of these, all the warriors in the jungle coming after you, playing this at one time. See, which one is this? What's this? Oh, look at that one. Me gusta. I like that a lot.
Wow.
The owl. Ah. Listen, I'm gonna try this one right here, the owl. Let's see, let's see. So there's a special noise that all these pyramids and ancient structures make. Some people say it sounds like an eagle. Some people say it sounds like a frog. But you can make this same noise at Chichen Itza. You make the same noise. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it, but let's see. All right, we finally made it to the end of the street of the city. At the end is the Pyramid of the Moon. Come on, let's go. This is called the Pyramid of the Moon. This is like the center of the Aztec Teotihuacan city. Para mí, mi amigo, para mí.
Ah,
Maestro.
mira,
Sí.
mira, los dos.
Los dos, sí.
Tócale tú también.
Ok. Ah.
Buen alumno, ¿eh? Aprende rápido. Y la ocarina, la flauta.
The eagle right here. What is ¿Qué es?
Es una flauta, un guerrero jaguar.
Flapo.
O hay guerreros águilas.
Chupacabra.
Mira.
Oh,
No,
the
chupacabra,
jaguar.
es el jaguar. ¿Cuál chupacabra? Ah, es un jaguar. Jaguar. Y el águila. Y el águila.
Sí, bueno, muy bueno.
¿Sí? Para
Jaguar.
para que le lleve serenata a la chica.
Jaguar warrior.
Bonito y barato. Aquí es más económico que en la tienda donde te lleva el día, ¿eh? Aquí es barato. Aquí ayudan al pobre, no los ricos.
Chuchito. Find a dog. This dog lives at one of the coolest houses you could ever live at. This is home. I'm gonna get the energy from the pyramid, so I have it in my life, so I bring it back home. I feel like energy, like a connection, like just a lot of energy, just a peaceful tranquility. I feel like every time I come to these pyramids, I get an energy from it, and I bring it home with me, and it helps me in life, makes my life better, and I do more. Yes.